Have you ever been told that you had beautiful embryos, but then they suddenly stopped growing in the IVF lab? This can be one of the most heartbreaking moments during fertility treatment. The important thing to understand is that a good-looking embryo is not always a healthy embryo. I'd like to invite you to scan the QR code on your screen and chat with me using my AI fertility assistant. It can answer your IVF questions 24 hours a day and help you make better informed decisions. When embryologists grade embryos, they are looking at what they can see under the microscope. They assess the number of cells, whether the cells are evenly sized, and whether there is any visible fragmentation. These features tell us about the embryo's appearance, but they cannot reveal everything that is happening inside the cells. An embryo may look perfect on the outside, but still carry chromosomal abnormalities inherited from the egg or sperm. It may have damaged DNA or problems with its energy-producing machinery. These hidden biological issues are invisible under the microscope, but they can prevent the embryo from continuing to divide normally. Think of it like buying a brand new car. The paint may be shiny and flawless, but if the engine has a serious defect, the car won't get very far. The same principle applies to embryos. Appearance gives us useful information, but it is only one part of the story. In fact, embryo arrest is often nature's quality control system. Many embryos with severe genetic problems stop developing because they are simply not capable of becoming healthy babies. Although this is emotionally painful, it is also a reminder that the laboratory did not cause the problem. The embryo is revealing its own biological potential. This is why experienced IVF specialists never promise success simply because an embryo receives a high grade. Embryo grading helps us select the best embryo available, but it cannot guarantee implantation or pregnancy. As several embryos repeatedly arrest during IVF, your doctor should investigate possible contributing factors such as egg quality, sperm quality, laboratory conditions, and sometimes genetic issues. Each case deserves an individualized evaluation rather than guesswork. Please don't blame yourself if your embryo stops growing. Embryo arrest is usually caused by factors beyond your control. Understanding the science behind it can help you make better decisions and avoid unnecessary guilt. Please share your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. I make a point to reply to all queries on my YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, scan the QR code to chat with my AI fertility assistant, subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone who is going through IVF. Accurate information is one of the most powerful fertility treatments available.